Hi, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today to talk about a bathroom that we are remodeling. What we're doing in this bathroom, how the project started, client gave us a call and said, listen, I have water in my ceiling underneath the bathroom, what's going on? We came in here and we found out that there was a leak under the toilet, and there was actually a leak around the vanity. The other issue was that the tile was cracking, so the floor became soft underneath the tile itself. So the homeowner said, listen, if we have to pull that tile up and take the vanity out and the toilet out and put it all back together again, why don't we just go ahead and remodel the bathroom? So that's what we decided to do here, was remodel the bathroom. Now the way this bathroom was designed, it had a toilet over here in the corner. We're going to put another toilet right back where it is. But if you come along the side here, the back wall here, this used to be a vanity. We're getting rid of the vanity and we're going to put a tall cabinet here. We actually have a drawing that shows that, the tall cabinet, there's the toilet over here. Back behind me, we're going to actually have the vanity, and we're going to do a double bowl vanity. It's already been roughed in with the plumbing. This is the drain pipe, these are the hot and cold water lines. We have set up on both sides because, again, it's a double bowl vanity. These outlets you see here, they're GFIC outlets, and they'll be used for working around the sink. GFI is important by code. Because just in case it gets wet, it will shut off instantly. Right up above, you see this green board. We're actually going to put some wall sconces. You know, where are the wires at? The wires are behind the wall here. We know exactly where they're located. So when the electrician comes in and puts a box in like this, he'll be able to reach his hand in there and pull the wires out. Notice it's green board. Green board is mold resistant. You should use it in the bathroom. Now you can see we did not replace all of the drywall. Didn't need to. We put in green board. How do we know this is green board, the existing? We'll take a look down here where we pulled the baseboard off, and you'll see some green color. So it is green board. Let me bring you into the shower. Like I said, this area here, this used to be a linen closet, and now it's going to be a bench. We're going to put a glass panel here, have a glass door here, and a stationary glass panel on this side. This is the water valve, hot and cold water. This is a transfer valve. You can turn it so that water comes out the shower head or comes out the handheld. Let's talk about the handheld. By the way, this is an acrylic shower pan made by Dreamline. It's a nice low profile pan. One of the things I want to show you here is, you see all this wood here we put in this place? That is blocking. Blocking is critical if you're going to hang anything alongside of a shower, like let's say a grab bar. In this case, this is going to be a slide bar where our handheld is going to go into it. So when we mount it to the wall, we want to make sure we have something solid and we're not just mounting it to the tile itself. One last thing I want to show you about the bathroom. Over in this wall, we're going to put a niche. Now we're using a system called Wavy. The Wavy system is a shower system where you have wall panels that are waterproof. We put those in place. And then to make the niche, they actually sell a neat little niche. I'll show it to you here. This is ready to go the way it is. You can put it in this direction. You can put it in this direction. If you put it in the vertical direction, you can put a little shelf in the middle of it. So that's all pretty cool. Once it goes in place, you tile over top of it, everything is waterproof. So I hope that gives you some tips and gives you some idea of what goes into building a new bathroom, doing a remodel of the bathroom. This project's going very well right now, and we should be done probably, I would say, in the next 7 or 8 days. Thanks for listening.